Got a Maryland Midweek cruise in Leonardtown. A few cars showed up. Not a bad turnout. I'm John. This is Out of Order Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Nice Jaguar there. It's a pretty neat car. Got here a little late as usual. Got an excuse, but processing a lot of these videos from the weekend and got wrapped around the axle. This is Challenger. There's Mark's striped Elite 2012 GT500. Hey, there's our Pontiac G8 GT, and there's retractable Ford hardtop. These are neat. So look what happens here. It all folds into the area there. This box is the only place where you can put luggage and it not get crushed when the top goes down. So pretty neat stuff there. Hey, how you doing? Got the.
Where was you at last week? You didn't show up.
There was a gas leak on my street. I couldn't get out of my road. It's Frank's 49. We'll get a few of these cars here. Here's Mike's Model A. That's a neat car. I've ridden in that. There's a video of that on the channel. It's a Regal, Turbo Regal. It's a Falcon. I think this was the one at Patina Party that was for sale, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe it's a different one. I'm not sure. Not sure. Hey, look, it's Walt and his Chevelle. How's it going?
How you doing?
Good. Uh-oh, bad shadow. The light's good for showing the cars, but bad for filming them. You get it from that side. El Camino. Ford F-100.
No, you can't park up this shit here. Go on over there and park it.
Frank's Victoria. It's a nice car. Really nice. The curb feelers. That's Billy. Is this newly done?
Yeah.
Is this its debut?
It is. It's a maiden voice.
So what are we looking at here?
1951 Willys Jeepster.
51 Willys Jeepster. I love it. And what's powering it?
It's got a 230 Chevy 6-cylinder.
What would it have had originally?
Full 4-cylinder, flathead 4-cylinder.
No, so this is an upgrade for it.
Oh yeah. And
Like-
it's got power
like the
steering, power brakes, and
Power brakes and
automatic.
dual circuit. That's great. That's wonderful. Oh, look at the insides. Wow.
Yeah, it got the seats out of a 2000 TJ.
But they weren't done in this pattern, were they?
No, I had them reupholstered, make it a little beachy.
That looks great. We missed most of the cars because we were late. There goes Dana. He shoots a lot of pictures at car shows. It's Paul's Buick. We always look at the engine. You guys are getting tired of seeing the engine probably, but how about a 40 Mercury? Now these had it's got a different roof line than the Fords did. Oh, got bad shadow on it. But yeah, a lot of people chop these to get a different look out of them. But that's what a stock one looks like. There you go. And we didn't get much footage tonight, but a few things covered. A few cars showed up. There's the Chucky car. He snuck in. We missed him. He was at Cars and Coffee, I think. So yeah, you never know what you'll see. This has been Out of Order Garage. I'm John. Thanks for tuning in, folks. We'll see everybody on the next one.